Hello! Welcome back to Maci, English for Kids. Today, we are going to learn plural nouns. Plural nouns mean more than one person, animal, or thing. I will show you 55 examples with sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Part 1. Regular plural nouns. Add S. Most nouns become plural by adding S at the end. Dog. Dog. There is a dog in the park. Dogs. Dogs. There are 2 dogs in the park. Cat. Cat. There is a cat on the roof. Cats. Cats. There are 3 cats on the roof. Book. Book. There's a book on the table. Books. Books. There are many books on the table. Car. Car. There's a car outside. Cars. Cars. There are 5 cars outside. House. House. There's a house near the river. Houses. Houses. There are many houses near the river. Chair. Chair. There's a chair in the room. Chairs. Chairs. There are 4 chairs in the room. Table. Table. There is a table in the kitchen. Tables. Tables. There are 2 tables in the kitchen. Tree. Tree. There is a tree in the garden. Trees. Trees. There are many trees in the garden. Flower. Flower. There is a flower in the vase. Flowers. Flowers. There are some flowers in the vase. Friend. Friend. I have a friend at school. Friends. Friends. I have many friends at school. Pen. Pen. There is a pen on the desk. Pens. Pens. There are a few pens on the desk. Pencil. Pencil. There is a pencil in my bag. Pencils. Pencils. There are 2 pencils in my bag. Toy. Toy. There's a toy under the bed. Toys. Toys. There are many toys under the bed. Ball. Ball. There is a ball in the box. Balls. Balls. There are 3 balls in the box. Bird. Bird. There is a bird on the tree. Birds. Birds. There are many birds on the tree. Egg. Egg. There's an egg on the plate. Eggs. Eggs. There are 6 eggs on the plate. Cup. Cup. There's a cup on the table. Cups. Cups. There are 3 cups on the table. Door. Door. There is a door in the room. Doors. Doors. There are 4 doors in the room. Window. Window. There is a window in the kitchen. Windows. Windows. There are 2 windows in the kitchen. Shoe. Shoe. There is a shoe on the floor. Shoes. Shoes. There are 2 shoes on the floor. Key. Key. There is a key on the desk. Keys. Keys. There are many keys on the desk. Apple. Apple. There is an apple in the basket. Apples. Apples. There are 5 apples in the basket. Banana. Banana. There is a banana on the plate. Bananas. Bananas. There are 3 bananas on the plate. Photo. Photo. There is a photo on the wall. Photos. Photos. There are many photos on the wall. Part 2. Plurals ending in s. If a word ends in s, x, esh, cheech, or o, we usually add s. Box. Box. There is a box on the shelf. Boxes. Boxes. There are some boxes on the shelf. Bus. Bus. There is a bus at the stop. Buses. Buses. There are 3 buses at the stop. Class. Class. There is a class in the morning. Classes. Classes. There are 2 classes in the morning. Dish. Dish. There is a dish on the table. Dishes. Dishes. There are many dishes on the table. Watch. Watch. There is a watch on my wrist. Watches. Watches. There are 2 watches on my desk. Tomato. Tomato. There's a tomato in the salad. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. There are some tomatoes in the salad. Potato. Potato. There is a potato on the table. Potatoes. Potatoes. There are many potatoes on the table. Part 3. Plurals ending in ies. If a noun ends with consonant plus y, we change y to I and add es. Baby. Baby. There is a baby sleeping in the crib. Babies. Babies. There are 2 babies in the nursery. Story. Story. There is a story in this book. Stories. Stories. There are many stories in this book. City. City. There is a city near the lake. Cities. Cities. There are big cities in the country. Party. Party. There is a party tonight. Parties. Parties. There are 3 parties this weekend. Lady. Lady. There is a lady at the door. Ladies. Ladies. There are 2 ladies at the door. Part 4. Irregular plurals. Some nouns are irregular. They do not follow the normal rules, you just have to memorize them. Child. Child. There is a child in the playground. Children. Children. There are many children in the playground. Man. Man. There is a man in the shop. Men. Men. There are 3 men in the shop. Woman. Woman. There is a woman in the garden. Women. Women. There are 2 women in the garden. Tooth. Tooth. There is a fake tooth on the table. Teeth. Teeth. There are 32 teeth in your mouth. Foot. Foot. There is a fake foot on the chair. Feet. Feet. There are 2 fake feet on the chair. Mouse. Mouse. There is a mouse in the kitchen. Mice. Mice. There are many mice in the kitchen. Goose. Goose. There is a goose near the pond. Geese. Geese. There are some geese near the pond. Person. Person. There is a person in the room. People. People. There are 10 people in the room. Knife. Knife. There is a knife in the drawer. Knives. Knives. There are some knives in the kitchen. Leaf. Leaf. There is a leaf on the ground. Leaves. Leaves. There are many leaves on the ground. Part 5. No change in plural. Some nouns are the same in singular and plural. Sheep. Sheep. There is a sheep in the field. Sheep. Sheep. There are a lot of sheep in the field. Deer. Deer. There is a deer in the forest. Deer. Deer. There are many deer in the forest. Fish. Fish. There is a fish in the bowl. Fish. Fish. There are 5 fish in the bowl. Part 6. Possessive plus plural. To show ownership, we use the possessive form. For one person, add apostrophe s. For more than one person, plural, just add apostrophe. For example, there is a child's toy on the floor. There are children's toys on the floor. This is the teacher's desk. These are the teacher's desks. That is the girls' room. Those are the girls' rooms. This is the boy's shoe. These are the boys' shoes. That is the parents' car. Those are the parents' cars. This is the doctor's office. These are the doctor's offices. Great job, everyone! You just learned 55 singular and plural nouns in English, with sentences and examples. See you next time on Maci English for Kids. Bye-bye!